never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
Banza abantu batembereramwo, abantu bese barafise amakuru yuko amaplage yose amaplage yose yagiye yatwawe mugabo World Beach bace baraba bati ibyo byose rero ntitworeka ko abarundi baburaho bitagadurira. Byatwaye uburyo bwinshi, byatwara uburyo bwinshi, barara ko imashini zibananga zikora mugabo i Moda Company yaciye ifadikanya na World Beach kugira ngo abarundi barasanzwe bagitema kino kibanza, abarundi n'abanyamahanga mbere bakunda amaplage baje mukambara amaguru basanga batariko baridagadura. Baza kubona amabuye manini ayanduta umuntu abana ngita hariya yoca yibona amabuye yikwije afise imisozo murabura kari buye didasanzwe murako bicyo ko ari metero zibiri z'ubwaguke ni metero nka zibiri canke mwe n'intusu z'uburebure mu bunini. Aya rero yose ava mu ntara ya Bubanza no mu Rumonge, kandi rero ni solution kugira ngo amazi aje ari menshi akubitira kwa no mabuye hama gaca abona gusubira inyuma ntanarengana.
Ngiri ryazanywe n'ikino
izi mashini mubona ngaha
imodoka
izi mashini mubona ngaha nizo zizana aya mabuye arabaje ati nk'iri ryazanywe n'iki. Urabona ko ritova mu Rumonge ngo rishike ngaha abantu bagikoreye kumwe kandi ryova ni Bubanza ko navuze ko arava ibubanza nava mu Rumonge. Hanyuma uretse ibyo rero naha haragiye imicanga myinshi novuga amabende adaharurika oyaharura mugabo ukoreshe calculatrice hama kugira ngo batore inyishu solution za kino kibanza woro. Muri make rero abona ko kiyaga cari nga abari bazi World Beach aho yagera kuva kera nubu nihigera naho amazi yateye. Izo ni solution ingamba zakozwe kugira ngo abantu bose babandanye baronka bwa buryohe kakanovera kiyaga bari bipfuza. Bo tubandangiriza hariya kumbure tuho kugira ngo twereke ibindi byose ambavu y'ibyo hariya murabona kujya container
naho
hari umugambi wo kubaka hano kugira ngo abantu abantu bashaka kuza baridagadura urabona ko abantu bashobora 30 bashobora kuba ari ngaho gusa amatabule hose bazohamenaja ugushoboka izi container abantu bazoshobora kuzibona kugira ngo ikibanza nyine cyiteka na hano nyene uti nka terrasse kugira uzojya uzojya umuyaga kwita amakondisiyo urumva ni kibanza eko
babyita kwagura.
mu bisanzwe no kwagura no guhindura hariho byari ngaha ubu urabona ko byahindutse ubu rero bagomba kuzana ibindi bishashe nk'aha rero urabona uri kumwe n'umukunzi bamwe basiga bita ngo n'umwana urabona ko basa neza cyane n'ifoto yo ngaha yomara gusumba tubanangiriza hariya
location ka sababu shughuli ku dance video ya dance
Hapa mchanga. Nielewa sio kumi basi. Ana. baraciye umugani ngo amagumi yakaguhitanye araguhitanira aha n'amazi yariho mugabo urakora ko Tanganyika yagutse hacaboneka iyindi plage yatse gufasha abo muri World Beach il est vrai que abo kuri undi ruhande bo bahahombeye mugabo ku bwa World Beach murabona ko ari iyindi plage yaciye yubuka itahahora gusa duhora hahora mu cyanga gusa rero haciye aba solution shama payote aharasa neza mu ijoro si tuguhera 19h muje kuhicara vraiment murabona ko nabajya bagenzi banyu bazacuti zanyu zitogaya aka rero ne kabavuga bati amagumi yataguhitanye naguhitaniza akanda kanyongezo kabonetse kubera ko deja ayo mazi yaji agace yibika nga abantu bacu batika tuya profit kadutumbere hariya hanyuma tubatuzi nk'abaranga Mpiga picha kwa. Ndio picha kapigwa picha ndio picha.
Sasa fiziki hizi zichokesha kwa conference
kama haki changanisho no kwasiye hariya bundi bwa amazi yari yavuye hariya aca yuzura ahari ikiyaga mugabo mwaca barabirwana kugira ngo akibanza n'ikindi kibe gito yikuru isigaye asa neza bubaye masirimu agetuwe manini umva maji yore rumengo uri wishike kuri terre
T'es devenu présomptueux à force de te
Son ndabona wicaranye wicaranye n'abandi
na my future nta wundi ni one
pisine yo urabona ko ari amafuta
umwana ari he oshira kunyerekana irega amezi tunyine nkabereka yuko nyene mba nguwe n'ibyo ndikibazo
oya reka tudrafting
yo ndago acha yahura umugore zagenda umusore zagenda umusore nta musore wicaye iruhande yiwe
reka genda
yegenda w'ibisebe
mumufashe kandi nari nahe
reka ndamufashe twari
yicare wowe mu kamere voilà rero vanangora
utaharungura
Kamera basi huku tafadhali.
ubawe World Beach
bakaseka mo
kimaliza tunatoka huko nyuma
ya rero barabizi bari hano umubikoresha baramenye ko ari
foto
foto
Wala enda kupiga foto.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a dick.
Ogłosi sama taka wiadomo, na to urabona ko ibyokenerwa byose wobisanga hano voye tuno twiteka ya mivinyu y'amashampanye tout ce que vous voulez pour vous amuser birakunda hamwe na kino kibanza. Bamwe bariko barafatira mu kivunga ko cyagize ingorane si gusa urashaka kuraba ukaraba no ngaha uraba ko iruhande ko no ngaha ibintu bisa neza cyane birameze neza uri kugira ngo muri kino kibanza cyitawe cy'abantu bitawe very VIP. Haza abitahuwe murana ko n'ibintu biriyo nyene twitahuwe n'amadekor nyene neza cyane sava hariya nana navuze ko ari ubwiherero busa neza ntafutonda gushikayo reka urabona ko n'aha byose uba sinzi ko mwaba
Cuisine imeze gute? Iri sale no.
Bom, no gato, muraja no hasi urishite vuba vuga maze urugwiza ibiri.
Rero ubwo bwato twaronkeje kuri World Beach cyari mu bitsi
abantu ryama
nije wa mbere nawe kubukora hako inyuma hose ngaha ari ibindi bigomba kubera
Namaje
moto ku mazi
moto mu mazi
iyo yambika ngaho
Ayirijana ariko yakajya akanayambika ku muduga cyane
ubasha kuyambika
n'iyindi hariya
hari n'iyindi zini nshasha ziyongera kuza zisanzwe zihari
collection donc bibaza ko tugera muri salle
d'accord bon kuba bayakuye n'umunsi kugira ngo rero abantu mariage arafatira muri salle arafatira ngaha muri jardin aho n'amajeu pour enfants abona uyu mais sinon la salle nayo pour des conférences ça c'est la salle ça c'est la salle pour les conférences on va aménager salon ingene design zirahindagurika bivanye na evenement ngene bimeze niba ari mariage very very VIP bagutegurira salon ingene ubyifuza hari n'abasanga ari nka si mariage gusa ashobora n'indi evenement cyangwa conférence yose bikoreka kupanga cyangwa online.
And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. Afloat, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,